Having guests over is so much fun, but it's a lot easier when you have just a few items and you can throw chips, dip, nuts, all kinds of things into them. So the trick is to have a few pieces in your cabinet that you can pull out at a moment's notice, like this great piece from Michael Aram. I love it with the spoons. You could either use them or not use them. Great for all kinds of different items, and I especially love it because it's tall. Looks great on a table. Wonderful pieces from Nambé. This beautiful wood bowl. This is great for salsa, and the chips all around will be so much fun. But if you love ceramics, few pieces by Juliska. These are great because they have partitions, keeps everything separate. A few of these items in your cabinets, friends come over, you're ready for a party.